Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you again. This is Ilian from HaiPAD Digital Technology Limited. Today we use a tablet PC or a smartphone to remote control the TV dongle. Now, of course, when you want to remote control the TV dongle, there should be a program, a firmware. Now, there doesn't need to download from the website. You can directly download from the TV dongle. Now we will show you how to download. Open the setting. You will find the About table need. And then choose Open Air Controller Notification. You will see a tips and choose OK. Then you will find the icon on the bottom of the TV. Okay, open the air control service. You will see the air control service is ready, and you also will find the download IP address. That is 192.168 and 1.106. And then you will take a tablet PC and input the same IP address you just got. Download the application. And then install. Keep charging the tablet PC to control the TV. Now you can see our finger is moving around the circle. Now we're back to the surface of the TV. Today we use two games to show you the function. Now first we choose the Angry Birds. Okay, the G center of the tablet PC is used for. Now we choose another card game to show you. Please open the G center first.
3, 2, 1, go!
car.